Create a new AI document from the top menu bar. Paste the content you want AI to edit, or the prompt for AI generation into the editor. Select your content and choose the AI tool you want to use, such as the Humanize tool, which improves your language and makes it sound more natural. Now, let's generate a paragraph about Thailand, for example. Ta-da! You can even refine it further to enhance readability and flow.
No worries, try again. It's all about progress, not where you've been. Come correct, build your vocab, don't stress. We'll have you speaking like the best. Impress, say it loud, English on lock. From the basics to advanced, we don't stop. From verbs to nouns, we break it down. Learn the rules and wear the crown.
Next, let's translate it into Thai.